Nebraska small business owners, listen up. Want to create a stunning online presence without draining your budget? WordPress is the answer. With tailored web design solutions, businesses can shine online. Custom web design doesn't have to break the bank. Personalized designs that reflect your brand can be affordable. Need specific features? Custom tools can easily be integrated to enhance functionality. Templates are also a great option, offering quick setups and budget-friendly solutions. Choose one that resonates with your audience and tweak it to fit your brand style. For those who enjoy a DIY approach, user-friendly design tools on WordPress make it easy to create and manage a site. Drag and drop simplicity means no coding skills are needed. Plus, community support is just a form away, helping businesses grow as they learn. Maximizing online presence is crucial, and local SEO strategies are key. Think about what potential customers in Omaha might search for. Optimize Google My Business listings and ensure consistent information across local directories. Engaging content is essential too. Craft stories that resonate with the community, whether through blogs or social media posts. Speaking of social media, it's a powerful tool for connecting with customers. Choose the right platforms, engage with your audience, and use analytics to refine strategies. When it comes to hosting, understanding the difference between shared and dedicated hosting is vital. Shared hosting is cost-effective for smaller sites, while dedicated hosting offers better performance for larger businesses. Scalability is important too. Look for flexible plans that can grow with your business. WebSnoogie is always glad to go over web hosting options with you. Mobile responsiveness is non-negotiable. A responsive design ensures a smooth experience on any device. Fast load times and touch-friendly navigation keep users engaged. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites, boosting search rankings and visibility. Security builds trust. Implement SSL certificates to protect sensitive data and keep websites updated to patch vulnerabilities. Regular backups provide peace of mind, ensuring data is safe. Community support is invaluable. Local networking opportunities, workshops, and access to expert advice can help businesses thrive. Connecting with other entrepreneurs can spark new ideas and collaborations. Thinking about e-commerce? Setting up an online store is easier than ever with platforms like WooCommerce and Shopify. Choose the right payment gateway for security and ease of use. A seamless customer experience is crucial, from user-friendly navigation to fast load times. In conclusion, Nebraska's small businesses can thrive with cost-effective WordPress solutions. From easy website builders to reliable hosting, the right tools can make a difference. If you need assistance with web design, please consider WebSnoogie. They offer a team of professionals that can build and host your website for an affordable price. Dive into the digital world and watch the business grow.